Hey Darlos, welcome to the channel. So today I'm going to create this festive look right here. This is a very stunning, glamorous festive look that I've came up, which is super easy to achieve. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started with today's video. Alright you guys, so I have already prepped my face. I've also applied lip balm. Now I am going to directly start off with primer, and for primer I am going to use the Swiss Beauty Real Makeup Base Highlighting Primer. If you guys are following me for some time now, you guys know how much I love this primer. So this is a must product. Next I'm going to go in with foundation, and for foundation I'm going to mix two different foundation. So the first one is the L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour matte cover foundation. I'm in the shade 108 caramel beige, and the another foundation is Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 303 toffee. So I'm going to mix these two foundation on the back of my hand, and I'm now I'm spreading the foundation with a foundation brush. This one is from Maybelline. This brush is really convenient for foundation application, and if you are okay, you can also go for concealer application. Whatever is left in the brush, I'm also bringing it in my neck. If you notice how I am blending this foundation, I'm trying to keep the foundation in its place. I'm not dragging like this. I'm making very small strokes, and I'm trying to place the foundation in its place. Okay, so now it's time for concealer. Now today I'm not going to use any particular concealer. What I'm going to do instead is I'm going to use this same foundation, that's the L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour matte cover foundation, and I am going to use it as a concealer because this shade is a little bit light for my skin tone, so I can very well use it for my concealer. So what I'll do is I'll again take it in the back of my hand, very little this time, because I'm not going to use it as a foundation. I'm going to use it as a concealer, and I'm going to dot it under my eyes like so. Even I'm trying to highlight my face with this foundation because it's a kind of light for my skin tone. For blending, I'll use that same brush with which I've applied my foundation, and this time I'm just going to dab it in the same place. No swipe, not even a little bit swipe. I'm just going to dab it. Next I'm going to fill my eyebrows, and for that I'm going to use the Blue Heaven Work Free Brow Definer. It doesn't have a spoolie attached to it. So what I'll do is I'll first draw an outline in the bottom part. Also I'm going to draw one outline in the top part, and then I'm just going to fill up all the gaps that's visible to my eye. That's it. And then I'm going to take a spoolie like this, and I'm just going to brush my eyebrow hair. This will ensure that all the excess products are taken away. For eyeshadow, I'm going to use this palette. This is the Makeup Revolution. From this palette, I'm going to use specifically these two shimmer shades, this one and this one. Both of them are shades of pink. Now mine one is completely distorted, but you get the point. I love this palette, honestly. I just wish that this was not broken. Anyways, so first what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this pink shade from the palette. I'm taking it in a flat brush like this, and I will apply it all over my eyelid. So I have nicely placed the color on my eyelid, and now I'm going to take a fluffy brush like this and I'm going to blend my crease so that there's no harsh edges. Next up, I'm going to take that same shade in an angular brush and I'm going to apply on my lower lash line halfway. I'm going to apply this shade on the outer part. Next, I'm going to take this pink shade and I'm going to apply it. Take it inner corner also and in the inner part of the lower lash line. So let me do it to the inner part, and I'll also apply it in my inner corner. Now I am going to tight line both my upper and lower waterline, and for that I am going to use this kajal from Faces Canada. It's in the color black. Next, I'm thinking of going for a smoky eyeliner look, and for that I'm going to use this product from My Glam. It's their My Glam Superfoods Kajal in the shade Intense Purple. So you know, pink shimmery eyeshadow and purple smudgy eyeliner look. So I'm really excited to see how it turns out. This is how the outer packaging looks like, and if I open up the cap, this is how the kajal looks like. It's a really intense dark purple color, so maybe it's looking like a black color, but no, it's a purple color. It's come in the retractable form, so that is what, you know, excited me the most to buy this product. So now what I'll do is I'll apply this very roughly close to my lash line. Now I'm going to take a pencil brush and I'm going to smudge it. That's it. So it's creating a little bit of definition on my upper lash line. I'm going to make a hand swatch of this kajal from My Glam. So this is how the kajal looks like. Next, I'm going to apply mascara, and for that I'm using the L'Oreal Paris Volume Million Lashes. I'm not going to apply falsies today, so I'm going to apply 2 coats of this mascara. Alright you guys, I'm really sorry my camera stopped recording, so I couldn't record the part where I've applied my lipstick. Now I'm shooting this once again. So the lipstick that I've used is this one. This one is from My Glam. It's their My Glam Lit Liquid Lipstick. And let me tell you guys, these are affordable, okay? These are really affordable. They have stunning formula. Now during this time when we are always wearing masks whenever we are going out, we are really struggling with lipsticks, because most of the time if we are going for darker shades, it's going all over our lips, which is really annoying. So I am always in a hunt for lipsticks which doesn't budge or doesn't transfer to my mask, and I think I found one. I really like this one. When it's set. Like what I'll do is I'll just do a kiss proof test. Can you see this? There's hardly anything. So it doesn't transfer on your mask. It will not budge all over your mouth, which is awesome guys. So if you take my word, use this. Try this lipstick out and you will thank me later, because this lipstick is that great and it's also affordable. Now the shade that I have applied is Swipe Right. Now what I've done is I've applied the lipstick on my lips first, and then whatever was left in the applicator, I'll show you the applicator as well. So this is how the applicator looks like. It's a pretty delicate applicator. I really like it. A different one, like not a doe foot applicator. So then whatever was left in the applicator, I took it in my hand and I just swiped it on my cheeks, on both the cheeks. So it will kind of create a base for the powder blush. Don't forget to check this lipstick, and if you want to know like all the products that I am using, if you're confused as in what are the products that I've used, don't forget to check my description box, because I am going to write the names of all the products and their shade names in the description, and I will also be giving the buying link to you, so that you don't need to go into that hassle of finding out products and all that thing. So don't forget to check my description box for. Next, I'm going to contour my face because I have quite a round face, and for that I'm going to use this product. This is again from MyGlam. It's the MyGlam Pose HD foundation, and I have got it in the shade Espresso. So it's kind of a dark color for my skin tone, which will act very well as a contour. Now if I open up the cardboard packaging, this is how the product looks like. It comes in this cylindrical packaging, which is really cute and classy. The print on the outside part is, oh my god, I love it. I'll just open up the product. Now when you open it up, there is one protection cap so that the product doesn't budge with the cap anyway. So I'll just take out the cap. So this is how the product looks like. I just damaged it right now, so that's my fault. That's not the fault of the packaging. It came perfectly all right. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply contour. Like I'm going to apply this stick foundation. So how am I going to apply the contour? I'll just take this thing as a reference, okay, and I'm going to apply it just above this. So this is the place where I'm going to apply my contour. I'm going to do it in my forehead also, because I have quite a broad forehead. My forehead is really broad. Can you see how perfect this color is for contouring? I will also use it on my jawline, because these days I'm looking really fat. Rather, my face is looking really fat. I'm going to apply a little bit over here, very little, and then I'm going to use the same foundation brush and I'm going to blend the contour. Can you see how instantly a shadow is getting created? And for whatever I've applied on my forehead, I'll try to mix it with my hairline. Then only it is going to look natural. For the nose part, I'm going to use my ring finger. Can you see how instantly my nose look more sharper? Now guys, I want to tell you one thing. For this makeup look, I have not worn falsie, but you can always wear falsies. Now for the lipstick, I was feeling a lipstick shade of like something like this. If you want to go for a red lip, you can go. If you want to go for a nude lip, you can go. Whatever suits you, suits your taste, you can go for that. Now this product I'm really liking because easy to use, and the most important part is if you're using contour and if you're facing hard time to blend that contour, that's the most annoying part. So what I like about this foundation which I have used as a contour is that it blends really well. So it just gets blended like this, just a click. So I will definitely recommend this product to you guys, because this product is really good. When I'm telling that it's really good, I mean it from the bottom of the heart. If you use this product, you will only get to know what I'm talking about. So yeah, definitely I'm going to recommend this product to you. Next, I'm going to apply bronzer on my face, and for that I'm going to use this color from the palette. This is the Swiss Beauty Ultra Blush palette in number 2. So I'm going to take it in a fluffy brush like this, and I will apply it in the place where I have applied my contour. So you apply bronzer above contour. Always remember that. Now I'm going to pinch the brush like this, and very lightly I'm going to place the product on my nose, and then I'm just going to blend it. Next I'm going to apply blush, and for that I'm going to use this shade from the same palette. This palette is a very versatile one. You get a lot of, like, you get bronzer, blush and highlighter in the same palette. So I love using this palette as well. So I'm just going to apply the blush over here first, and then I'm going to bring it to the apple of my cheek. So this will ensure that my cheeks look a little bit lifted. Alright you guys, next I'm going to apply highlighter, and for that I'm going to use this highlighter from the palette. This is kind of a pinkish toned highlighter, and for that I'm going to use a brush like this. This one is a L'Oreal brush. For powdering my face, I'm going to use this product from MyGlam. It's their HD banana powder. So I'll show you how the product looks like. This is a really cute packaging, guys. If I open up this, there is again one protective layer over here. So I'm taking this out, and this is how the powder looks like. So I'm going to apply this powder under my eyes. This will brighten up my eyes, as this is a banana powder. I'm applying this powder to all the places where I know that I tend to sweat. Then what I'm going to do is, I'm going to clean this area up with the same powder. Very beautiful powder, guys. I'll make a swatch of it. So this is the powder. It's very finely made, which I'm absolutely loving. It's very nice. I will also recommend this product to you guys. Alright you guys, with this I have finished this look right here. I have added one bindi and a pair of earring, and that's it. So this look is really simple you guys, and I believe every one of you can achieve this look. So that is it for today's video. If you like the tutorial that I've shared with you today, please do like the video, share it with your friends and family, and also leave your thought in the comment section. I would love to interact with you guys. And as I was telling you, all the product name, details, links will be there in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. Definitely recommend all the products to you all. So yeah, don't forget to check my description box. See you very soon in another video. Till then, I love you all. Bye bye.